Hello everyone. Sometimes the SQL Server using too much CPU even for the medium queries also. So today I'll explain one hidden settings that many DBA ignores, which is called the cost threshold of parallelism. First we will see that where it is present. Cost threshold of parallelism on the server, right click, then if you click on the properties, in the advanced tab if you click, go down, then here is the option cost threshold of parallelism. Now it's giving 5. Now we will understand that what is it. Basically what happened, it determines when a query becomes eligible for parallel executions when SQL Server decide to split the query across multiple CPU cores. That means how many cores are present over here. If you click on the task manager, in the CPU, in the performance, if you click in the CPU, here virtual processor is 4. That means the CPU cores, number of the CPU cores present is 4. So sometimes what happen, if we are running insert command or any command which is means suppose if we are inserting millions of data, so what happen, first it will take the one core CPU cores, then if it is running till 5 seconds, that means after that it will use another CPU cores to execute that particular query. After that, once 10 seconds done, then after that it's still running, then after that it use the another third CPU cores, then after 5 seconds and again it's used the fourth CPU cores. So in this way the CPU cores are means split that among the parallel queries. So basically what is it decides when the SQL Server should consider a parallel execution plan, and SQL Server calculate basically estimated query costs and it determine that how it split. Okay, so how can we say in the simple language, it determines when a query becomes eligible for parallel executions when SQL Server decided to split the queries across multiple CPU cores to speed up the things. So in the previous servers and the previous versions, it's by default it's showing 5, it's there 5. Okay, recommended we can say 35 to 40 seconds, and in the expert 45 to 50 seconds in high end production servers we are giving. If you want, we can change through here also. Suppose here is 5. Now if we want after 10 seconds it will take the another CPU core, so if you give 10 and click OK, it will change the settings. Let's see whether it is changed or not. Right click, properties, then advanced, so it's showing 10. Okay, through the query also we can able to change. Here is a query I have pasted, you can able to note that. So if you like this video, please subscribe the DBA Guardians. Thank you.